This is Wisedry 100 packs 1 gallon Mylar bags. Okay, this is the label. Come within the roll. This is Wisedry oxygen absorber 300 cc. It was sealed in the bag. Pretty good. User guide. Perfect. It is very clear how to use it. And this is actually the bags. By the way, the package is pretty heavy. Let's see. Let's see what's inside. Inside is like this. And this bag can be opened up like this. And it also got a pre-cut here. The material is very flexible. And it's very strong. It doesn't seem like going to be tear. You can't tear it. It's very strong. And it is a good size. Also, it contains 100 of them. If you want to storage anything, I think this is a very good choice. This is the label roll. So after you pack, you just put the label on. It's very convenient. Very good product. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.